of innovation, technology, including AI and blockchain, this is the CSharpCorner Daily Tech Updates. I'm Amber, bringing you the latest stories shaping the future of technology from New York City. Google has introduced personal intelligence to AI mode in search, allowing users to connect Gmail and Google Photos for more personalized results. The feature helps search understand personal context such as travel plans, shopping preferences, and past activities. Google says the feature is fully opt-in, privacy-focused, and does not train directly on personal emails or photos. It is rolling out to AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in the US. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang has dismissed fears that AI will cause mass unemployment. Speaking at the World Economic Forum, he said while AI may affect some coding jobs, it will also create strong demand for electricians, plumbers, and construction workers needed to build AI data centers and infrastructure. Huang added that many of these trade jobs could earn six-figure salaries due to global labor shortages. South Korea has rolled out a unified AI legal framework, becoming the first country to implement a comprehensive AI law. The new rules mandate human oversight for high-impact AI applications such as healthcare, finance, transport, and utilities. While the government has offered a one-year grace period, startups are concerned that vague regulations and compliance risks could slow innovation at an early stage. Apple is reportedly preparing a major upgrade that will transform Siri into a conversational AI chatbot later this year. Internally called Campos, the new Siri will support natural conversations, content generation, summarization, and deeper app integration. The chatbot is expected to debut with iOS 27, marking Apple's strongest move yet into generative AI. Elon Musk has once again criticized European Union leaders, accusing them of pushing Europe toward economic and cultural decline. His comments come amid rising US-EU trade tensions and debates around Europe's strategic independence. Musk has repeatedly voiced opposition to the EU's current direction, aligning with similar criticism from some US political figures. And that's all from today's edition of the Tech News Roundup. For more daily tech updates, follow CSharpCorner on social media or visit csharpcorner.news.